Have you ever noticed that type of person who never raises their voice in any conflict? They don't make threats, they don't justify, they don't react. Yet their opponents fall one by one, as if an invisible hand knocked them down. You've always wondered, what do they know that I don't? How do they stay so untouchable? The shocking truth is that the strongest victories in human relationships aren't won by shouting or constant arguing, but by making the clash unnecessary in the first place. They crush their opponents in total silence before the sword of words is even drawn. Today, I'm giving you their rule book. They lied to you. They told you that strength means confrontation and that the person with the loudest voice or the one who proves their point is the winner. This lie is what keeps you weak and drained in your relationships. The deep psychological secret is that most people destroy themselves not because they lack intelligence, but because they lack patience. We react too fast, we move too early, and we let our emotions dictate when and how we respond. This haste betrays us every time. When you rush to respond without reading the situation, you literally become a servant to the person who chose to wait. In dark psychology, the manipulator or the provocateur relies on one thing: your reaction. When you talk too much to defend yourself, you're handing your enemy a free map of your fears, weaknesses, and desires. But what happens when you stay silent? That's where the terror lies. People are terrified of silence. It makes them uncomfortable and forces them to fill the air with words they didn't think through and confessions they never planned to make. When someone attacks you and you say nothing, you haven't surrendered. You've occupied the highest ground on the battlefield. Your silence creates a void, and the attacker fills that void with their own paranoia. They cannot hit smoke, and they cannot argue with emptiness. They defeat themselves. To become emotionally untouchable, apply these 3 psychological laws immediately. Rule 1. Calculated silence. Stop talking just to vent. Words are your ammunition, and you must not waste ammo on targets that don't deserve it. When someone expects you to explode, give them nothing. This response burns deeper than any insult because it tells them they aren't important enough to deserve your reaction. Rule 2. Strategic patience. Patience is not weakness. It's an offensive act because it forces the other side to move first. Let them struggle, let them get angry. The person who moves first out of desperation always reveals their plan. Wait until they tire themselves out. Rule 3. Become unreadable. Emotions are the biggest traitors. Anger makes you predictable, and fear makes you controllable. Don't suppress your feelings, that's a mistake, but train yourself to observe your anger without obeying it. When you become someone whose face cannot be read, your opponent will brig, realizing they are fighting a wall that cannot be torn down. In the end, the knockout blow in any toxic relationship is the one no one sees coming. It's your quiet withdrawal or your victory that seems to happen on its own. But remember, knowledge without execution is the most expensive form of ignorance. If this sparks something inside you and you refuse to go back to your old, weak self, go to the comments now and write, Silent General. Let this be the birth of your new version. Don't forget to subscribe. Welcome to the battle. Now go and make your silence louder than their noise.